from just one balloon to more balloons and then more balloons. Today you're gonna be a pro in just about 3 minutes. Please, if you like that, please subscribe to my channel and support. Now before we start, let's start. Crazy. First, delete everything and add an UV sphere just like that. Now press 3 on the numpad and go to tab mode. Now I'm just gonna zoom in. Now press X-ray mode just like that, and don't forget to press that proportional editing. Now press about 3/4 of the circle. Do we say 3/4 of a circle? Yeah, it's gotta do something about pies and diameters. Now don't forget to press that proportional editing. Now press GZ and pull it. Yeah, pull it just like that until you have the shape. Now press the bottom part just like that, and don't forget to unmark proportional editing because it will be just bad. Now press S, and you're just gonna do that until you have that kind of a shape. Now press GZ and put it up until it's just like a balloon, a balloon. Common sense, right? Now get out of the bud before unmark X-ray mode. Now we have this kind of thing. Now pull it up. You may not do that, but just to make cool. Now press shade more smooth. Press shade smooth to make it smooth. So now that you are done with the balloon setup, go to shading mode. And let me tell you what's the plan. We need to add some color ramp and then put different or random colors on that color ramp. So the first thing to do is to subscribe. What? No, what? We add a color ramp. Easy. Just like that. Yeah, now connect it on surface. Yeah, just like that. It's easy. Now to add a new color, you just press that white thing on the corner. Now press add and then just change the color and put the color that you want, just like what I did that time. Yeah, and to just add more colors, just do the same. Yeah, if you didn't understand, just comment below that you didn't understand and then I'll explain to you, but it's pretty boring, so I'm just gonna fast forward this. Oh, sorry, wrong music. Now if you go back to layout and go to render mode and duplicate this, you will find out that we still have that same color. But why? Because we didn't tell the program to add random colors. So what you need to do is just add object info and press on random because you want it to select random colors. Yeah, I think you understand it now. Now when we just connect that random thing, you see that we have many colors, and just like that we can make colors which are many by just duplicating, and you see that they will be different. It's like magic, man. Now it's time for the real fun, bruh. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it and enjoyed it. Enjoy it. So see you next time, and please subscribe to my channel. I hope you were